Hello, good morning, everyone. I don't know when the last time I came to chat with you guys. It is Saturday. I think it's January 24th. It did snow, so if you're in Texas, you know we did get a snowstorm. It's actually not, well, in our I'm looking at our backyard, it's not too bad. But I think when I looked out front on our camera, it did look like there was, pretty much a lot of, not snow, but sleet out there. So yeah, like I said, if you're in Texas, or probably anywhere, I think other places were having or getting some snow also. So it's probably, obviously it's way more than us here in Texas. But yeah, it did sleet slash snow. So I'm actually about to make breakfast. I'm gonna make some protein pancakes, bacon, and also some eggs. I'll go ahead and make the bacon now just because it does take a little bit. My daughter is still sleeping. She did say she wanted some pancakes this morning. So I'm gonna kind of wait to make the pancakes until she gets up, but I will go ahead and start the bacon. I don't know if she'll eat any bacon or not. She might eat some. Like I said, I'll go ahead and start the bacon, and then I'll do the pancakes and then cook the eggs. And I'll kind of show you guys just a little bit of that while I'm prepping the bacon, then putting it in the oven. And yeah, and then like I said, making pancakes and the eggs as well. So I'll make bacon, pancakes, and eggs.
already has breakfast.
Gave Riley a treat last night.
Oh, you did? Did he like it?
He had a jerky in his box.
Yeah, jerky in the box.
I made bacon. Do you want bacon? Yes? Okay.
Like I said, no real fast.
I know what? See mommy's video? Hey guys, so I am here. I'm actually in the laundry room, if you couldn't tell. I came in here to just come on here to say, so it is Sunday, January 25th. And as you can see, we did have a snowstorm here, in Texas. So I haven't gone anywhere. I mean, I don't really go anywhere through the week because I do work from home. So I don't really go anywhere through the week, but usually I do on the weekends. But this weekend I have not been able to because of the snowstorm. So we've been in the house all week. I've been kind of finding things to do around the house, honestly, because like I said, usually on the weekend, I am out and about just kind of doing random things. Some of it is planned, some of it is not. But today, I'm going to unload the dishwasher, and then I think I'm going to go through my closet and clean that out, kind of go through things. There's some things that I just want to take out that I don't really wear anymore, that I just don't like, that I bought and don't like. So it can be, I don't wear it. So I'll probably do that, but right now I'm going to unload the dishwasher, and then I will clean out my closet. And then I'm not sure what I'll do after that. I am editing another video at the moment, so I'll probably finish doing that and maybe read my book again. I've already read my 2 chapters for today, but it's getting really interesting, and it's toward the end of the book, so I am curious to see how it ends, so I probably will do that. Other than that, like I said, it is just a relaxing Sunday, really relaxing. I go back to work tomorrow since, I work from home. I know the school district is out, but our daughter, she's not old enough yet to start school. She will start school later this year, but the school district is out. Like I said, I do go back to work tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday, the 26th, January 26th. So I do work from home. So unfortunately, I don't have the day off, but yeah, let me go ahead and start unloading the dishwasher, and then I will start cleaning out my closet. Okay guys, so I just finished unloading the dishwasher. I am going to start now cleaning out my closet, see what things I can take out, get rid of, put in a pile. To actually, I'm not gonna, well, I'll donate slash give them away to a shelter. I don't give my things away to Goodwill anymore because they just, you know, resell it for profit. I actually donate now to a women and children's shelter. So I'll go through my things, clothes and shoes, to see what I'm gonna get rid of, and then we'll go from there. Depending on, I don't know, I just need to kind of go through my things and see what I want to get rid of. I'm not sure exactly what I want to donate. So that's why I need to go through my closet. Like I said, I may not even end up giving anything away. Sometimes when I clean out my closet, then I'm like, oh, you know, I'll wear this one day, or, you know, whatever the case is. So I find an excuse basically to keep it. So we'll see what I actually get rid of. And the things that I do get rid of, like I said, I will donate slash give away to a women and children's shelter. Okay, so I'm currently in my closet. This is currently what we are dealing with. I know, guys, it is messy. I don't even know how I've gotten to this point. This is the this is my daughter's diaper bag. She doesn't wear diapers anymore. She is still in pull-ups. I just kind of have it just for snacks and things like that. Just because, you know, as you can see here are her pull-ups. We are very well stocked. Like I said, I keep mainly snacks and, you know, just wipies and things like that in there. It is easier just to carry, you know, more things in a purse. So hopefully we can get rid of the diaper bag soon and I can go back to start wearing my cute purses. But anyway, this is an extra pillow. So excuse this. I like a lot of pillows when I'm sleeping. But that one was just too firm for me, so I had to switch to a softer pillow. This was actually my nursing pillow that I had when my daughter was a baby. Sorry guys, I thought I heard something. Anyway, this was my nursing pillow I had when my daughter was a baby. I did breastfeed her. It was hard for her to latch on, so I just pumped. But that pillow is really comfortable, so I still have it in here. Just some workout cables and things here, and her headphones when we go on an airplane. Random, I know, I have nowhere else to put it, so I just keep it there. And then her wipes, like I said, she is still in a pull-up, so I do keep the wipes on hand. This box here I just have with just random things like my hair care mainly. This is a foot spa that my mom did give me for my birthday last year, so 2025. And here is my daughter's car seat cover when we go on an airplane. So it's her car seat cover here, just to keep the car seat from getting dirty. And then this TV was in my daughter's room. I did take it out because she was becoming obsessed with watching screens and TV, so I brought it in here. Not sure what we're gonna do with it yet. Right now it is just sitting in my closet for now until I can figure out what I would like to do with it. And then over here is just my like jackets and tracksuits, my Disney Spirit jerseys. I have, this is one, and then I have a few more in there somewhere. And then up there, as you can see, is a paraffin spa bath. I haven't used that in so long. I think I might just get rid of that. An ornament I think fell down from the box I have up here, and I just left it there, to be honest. And then a backpack and a duffel bag. Another backpack when I was in school, quite a while ago in college. Again, like I said, here are the ornaments and things that I put on the Christmas tree. And then I have my heat press here when I make my own shirts. Some shoes up there, as you can see, quite a few shoes. And I did actually, I just got these rollerblades sometime last week. I as you know from the last video, I did say that we were going roller skating, and we did do that, which was so fun. I did insert a clip of my daughter skating. She really enjoyed it, so I bought some skates for myself and for London, my daughter. So she really enjoyed that. So hopefully we can start doing that maybe once a month or so. It is expensive to go, but I'm hoping with us taking our own skates, it'll cut down the cost at least to rent the skates. And more shoes. I have a ton of shoes, and I always find myself wearing the same things. And then here I have my bathing suits, my cover-ups, my beach bag, just a couple, like I have my Lululemon, I don't even know what these are called. Are they bum bags? Fanny pack, I guess fanny pack is the right term. And they're just kind of like dressy casual. My husband actually got this bag for me. It's been a while. I think it's when we were dating, actually. He got it in Vegas, I believe. I haven't taken it in a while, but it's really cute. I really do like it. Like I said, again, another dressy casual bag. And then here on this wall, I have my Disney ears, my mini ears. So this one, I don't know if you can tell. No, you should be able to. I actually got these in Paris. When my husband and I went last year in April, we did go to Disneyland Paris, which was so fun. And then these here is from the Disney World 50th anniversary. So these are the ears that I got when my husband and I went to Disney World. I think it was 2021, close to the end of 2021. I think it was September of 2021. And then these here I also got same time as I got the 50th anniversary ones when my husband and I went to Disney World. These are actually I think these are backwards. Yeah. So these, oops, I can get it to stick on. Okay, so these are the I believe they're the Italian. I got them in the Italian pavilion at Epcot. So those are really cute. And then these are my OG ones, as I like to call them, my rose gold ones. Actually, when I went with my husband to Disneyland for the first time, and my mother and father-in-law, I did get those, which go with my rose gold spirit jersey that my mother-in-law did get me for Christmas. This was back in 2018, so I've had those for a while, so that's why I call them my OG ears. And then these hooks, as you can see, I did get those on Amazon. So far so good. They've been holding up pretty well, so I do like those. And I did actually forget to show you, sorry, before I show you my other ears that I did get on our recent trip to Disney World. So these are my tank tops here, and then just my shirts, kind of not in any particular order. And then I have just shoes over here. It's a mess. And then down here, here are my, I can't even think of the name, what you call them, like my packing cubes, kind of, I guess, my packing cubes here. My two different suitcases. So obviously the bigger one is when we go on longer trips, and then the smaller one is like 2-day trips, mainly just bubble wrap, and as you can see, just hats. I don't really wear hats. I honestly just bought these hats because they were on clearance, and I was like, ooh, clearance, I'll get them. But you know, they might come in handy, so that's why I have them. And then my air purifier here, I don't really use that very often. And then just some old like files and stuff. And then I have my comforters, my bed sheets here. Again, I don't really know what to do with a lot of this stuff. Most of it is just up on my closet here, like on the shelves that I have in my closet. But anyway, here are the ears that I did get recently from our last trip to Disney World, a couple weeks ago. So I really liked these. I did see some other ears that I liked, but then I saw these and I was in love with them. I did initially see some other ears that were like the leather material, and I told my husband, oh, I don't like the leather material, but as soon as I saw these, I fell in love with them, so I did get those. And then I don't think I showed this either. So again, here's just some more shoes. Like I said, it is a mess, I know, don't judge. So these boots I have not worn. They are super cute. Again, just another impulse purchase that I did buy because they were on clearance. So yeah, so this is currently what I'm working with. I think I might start with the shoes first, just because, I mean, there's a lot, but not as clearly as you can see as much as the clothes. So I will start with the shoes up here and then again over here. And then work my way to the clothes and see what I will accumulate so far. Okay guys, I'm back. So this bag here is what I'm actually going to give to the women's shelter. And then this pile here with this red sweater, these are just a couple shirts that I made with my heat press that I actually messed up on. So I'm just going to throw those away. I'm not going to donate those or anything. But yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. I did get rid of quite a few things, mostly like shirts and dresses that I don't wear. I did give a few shoes away, a couple pairs of shoes, but it was mostly the dresses and shirts that I no longer wear, like workout tops that I don't like, or that are kind of baggy on me. So yeah, so I will give those to the women's shelter. I will actually go on Saturday. I do have a chiropractor appointment Saturday morning, so I will stop by the like the donation bin that they have at a location that's very, very close to my house. So I'll stop by there, drop this bag off in the bin, and then go to my chiropractor appointment. And then, like I said, this pile here, it's like maybe 3 or 4 shirts. If that, yeah, I think it's about 3 or 4 shirts. I'm just going to throw these away. Like I said, I'm not even going to donate them. Not even going to take them to Goodwill, just throw them in the trash. So yeah, so I'm pretty proud of myself. I did get that done. Everything else here, I mean, it's pretty much stuff that I use. Like over here is like my minis. I have a minis channel that I do, like Miniverse. I have that stuff over here. Also go check that channel out as well. I have been slacking off on those videos when we did travel. I think it's been about a month since I've uploaded a video there, but yeah, go check out that channel as well. It's Minis with Bree on YouTube, and there's also I'm also on Instagram as well. But yeah, that's pretty much all I was gonna do. Like I said, it's still, I mean, over here where like my dresses and workout tops are, it's, you know, I did get that down quite a bit. Same thing with my shorts over here. I didn't give a whole lot of shorts away. A lot of these I do pretty much wear. A couple pants I did get rid of, and then a couple pairs of shoes like I mentioned. And then over here, I did get rid of some stuff that I don't wear as well. And then here as well, I did give, or did take a couple pairs of shoes out of here as well, this pile. I went through this. Some things I am going to keep just in case if I need them for something for whatever reason. You know, I mentioned I do that a lot where it's like, you know, just in case I need it, but I will go ahead and keep some of those things like my, when I did used to go to work in the office, like my dressy casual tops. So I will keep some of those just in case, you know, if I have an event or something, or in case if I do, knock on wood, that I may have to go back into the office, and then I have, you know, some things to wear. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Now I'm gonna just edit my other video that I was working on, and then I don't really have anything else planned for the rest of the day. I think I might pick up on this video maybe tomorrow when I get ready for work. And then I don't think I'm gonna walk my dog in the morning because there's still gonna be snow and stuff outside. So yeah, I will pick this video up tomorrow as I'm getting ready for work. Catch you guys tomorrow.